In this module, we'll be seeing search operations in strings in Python using the in operator and find function. Suppose we have a word, say cumbersome, from which we need to check if it has a meaningful substring like sum. Then we may use in, which is a Boolean operator. Now all we need to do is say within quotes sum in within quotes cumbersome. This returns true since the substring is found. The in operator is also useful for searching whether a word is present in a given sentence. For instance, consider the sentence Monty Python's Flying Circus, which is the comedy series from which the term Python was coined for this language. To search for the word Python in this sentence, we give within quotes Python in double quote Monty Python's Flying Circus. Here again, it returns true since a match is found. Note that since the word Python is followed by an apostrophe in the sentence, we give it in double quotes here. Another interesting thing that we observe is that though the word Python is not an exact match with Python apostrophe s, the in operator could still find the match. Next, we'll move on to the find function, for which we consider a common application such as finding the number of residents in an area using their identification numbers. Let's consider three members A, B and C, two residing in area with code 011 and one at a different area 012. Let's look out for only those members who are located at area 011, which is A and C. Till now, we wrote the commands in Python interactive shell that gave us immediate results. Now let's write the code in Python file editor. To do this, click File, New File on the menu. Now the logic for the program is to initialize a variable count to 0 and then define a function to split the strings with UID as a parameter. We declare count as global to make the value available outside the function while printing the result. Next, we use the find function index equal to UID dot find of within quotes 011 that returns the first index value of the substring 011 of the given string where it matches. If the index is 0, it means that the member resides at location 011. So, we increment count and return the value. Otherwise, return 0 when a match is not found. Now call the split UID function individually for each of the three residents by passing their respective IDs. Finally, print the number of residents at location 011 using print count. To save this file, click File, Save and type UID and save the file. To run the program, run module, you get the output as 2. So 2 residents have the area as 011.